Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have a new journal kit available in the Journal Life's Journey Etsy shop. I will link to it in the description box below. It is called Yellow Mood. It is a printable kit, so a digital download. It includes collage pages, journal pages, ephemera and deco, including envelopes, tags, and a variety of pockets. It also includes journaling cards. I've broken down the kit into 3 sections like I normally do. If you haven't seen the kits that I have available in the Journal Life's Journey Etsy shop, please check it out. Again, this is the latest one called Yellow Mood. So we're going to start with the collage and journal pages. There's 18 pages. And this is what they look like. Now, I printed this on best quality, borderless, and this is on regular 32-pound paper. So the same paper that I used to make inserts is what I printed this on. So these are the pages. And this kit, along with quite a few of the other ones that I have in the shop, were based on a kit that I previously did. It was just a small kit with different colored pages. This is one of the pages. This was the yellow page. So the pages in this kit evolved from this page, from this design. So there's that one, then this one, and then this is a pattern background, vintage receipts and scripts and labels. And this one with the florals, a large floral print. Then this one with the weathered wood and florals. This is a design that I had been working on for a while, and I decided to include it in this kit. I did not want this kit to be sunflower specifically, but because of the color and I really love this pattern, I went ahead and included it in this kit. So these sunflowers. Here's another collage sheet. I would consider this a journal page. So when you fold it in half, you still have room to write here, and it would still be visible because the background color is fairly light. Also, some of these pages are quite grungy, and if you notice, I have quite a bit of grunge in most of my kits. Then we have the grid paper. Same thing here. If you fold it in half, you have writing space. You can also decorate this up. Then we have this page with the writing spaces. So once it's folded, this one you could even have a header for the page. Then this one, writing space. Okay, so there's that one. This one, another writing one, not as much writing space, but the same concept. You could write on it. It is a lighter color. Same thing here. You have room to write here. And I was thinking you could even, depending on what's on the other side of your paper, you can print these double-sided. I was thinking you could actually slit this open and have something tucked in there if you have it covered on the back side. So just an idea. Then this is kind of like a planner style, even though it has a faint script in the background. It could be used maybe in the center of a signature or print multiples and just create a whole notebook with these spaces, so you'd have room to put your days of the week. And even though there's script in the boxes, it's very, very light and pushed to the back, so whatever you write would, push that to the back even more. Then we have just a plain grungy page. This is a great page to back other pages with, so you could use this as the back sheet for this or any of the other pages, your choice. We have this one, some more of a bright yellow, but again, room for writing. Even though you got the flowers hanging over, you still have plenty of room to write on these pages. Here's another one. I added a few of the sunflowers here. Okay, so that is all 18 of the collage and journaling pages. So there's 18 pages here. Okay, so now we're moving into the ephemera, deco, accessories, things like that. So this page has a coin envelope, and these are the inserts for the envelope. I also have two circle pieces here that can be used as a seal or some type of closure for the envelope as well. So this one is a folder with small tags. We have some tabs here on the side. A small envelope, more tags, small tags. These are inserts for the envelope, so they can, this one for instance can be folded and will fit in the envelope, and this one would just automatically fit because it's the same size. And the envelope has a butterfly detail on the closure flap, is that what that's called? On the closure, on the flap. Extra large tags, small matching tags. You could use these for layering with some of the other tags I'm going to show you, and possibly even these. So if you wanted to do a layered tag, you have plenty of different sizes that would allow that to work. But yeah, so these are the large with small matching. Then these are extra large. You also have this piece here that can be used as a tag or a bookmark. Then these are more of the medium size tags. And then this is a decorative envelope. We have tickets, a strip of tickets, and then the individual tickets here. So envelope, a collage envelope. Then this is something new that I've added to the kit. These are library pockets. I'll show you an example of what they look like in a moment. And then you have labels here. These can be stamped or used in layering, making clusters. We have another new piece. This is a CD envelope. I will show you the example of this one as well. Also have some labels here, a couple of blank ones so that you can stamp in those. So we have labels and two pockets. And the labels look really nice on the pockets, by the way. Then this is an insert that will work with the CD envelope. So this is another new sheet I've added. Works with the envelope. And then we have library cards that work with the library pockets. Again, I'll show you those. Now we'll move on to the journaling cards. There's 4 sheets of journaling cards. And this is what they look like. Of course, they're on the background. They have a border. So you choose how you want to cut them out. You can either cut them out as just a journaling card. You can include the border, and you can also include the background that is behind them, depending on how you want to do it. This is another set. They go like this. Then this is a larger set. Same concept. They have a background. You can use the background, you can use the border, or you can cut out just the journal card itself. And then this set. Okay, so that is everything in the kit. As I mentioned, I do divide this up in case you don't want all of the different sections. So the journaling cards are a separate listing. The ephemera and deco is a separate listing, and I believe this is 13 pages. And then, so 4 pages, 13 pages, and then 18 pages of collage and journal pages. So that is the kit. It's available now, so please check it out. Now this is the examples I wanted to show you. Let me see. I think I need to pull this out so that you can see. So for example, I've had questions before, but I think most people that buy these kits know how they work. This is this same pocket. So I fussy cut all these out while I was just watching YouTube. And so basically, anytime I have flaps on my digitals, unless otherwise noted, they fold at a 1/2 inch. And it's pretty clear here where to fold at. So once I cut it out, I cut it by hand. And this is what it looks like once it's folded and ready to go on the page. So say I wanted to add this to this page. This is probably not the best color example, but yeah. Let's see if I can find something else with a little more contrast. Let's use this one. All right, so if I wanted to add this pocket to this page, then I would just add adhesive to the 3 flaps, and there I would have a pocket. These can be printed on regular paper. I don't know if 20-pound paper for a pocket would be good. You probably would need to reinforce it. Again, I printed these on 32-pound paper, so I feel like this is pretty heavy and would work okay as a pocket. Some things I print on cardstock, some things I print on paper, depending on the use. So for instance, all of this was printed on paper, but if I'm making a journal, then I would pick and choose what I print on cardstock. Here's the other pocket. It could fit there. All right, and then these, so that's those 2 pockets. This is the library pocket and the library card. So this sheet, which is one of the new sheets, has the library pocket. And how you put that together, I didn't glue it. So we have this piece, which is the back, this piece, which is the front. The flaps are 1/2 inch. You fold those flaps over the back piece. So this is what it looks like on the back. Glue those 3 in place, and that gives you a pocket. Then I just fussy cut the card, the library card, and put it in the pocket. And there you go. Okay, and then let's see. Here's the other pocket. I did the same thing. You have the 2 pieces. So the backing, the front pocket piece, folded the tabs or flaps, and then this slides right in there. You glue that down, and you have a library pocket. Library card fits right in the pocket. Okay, I think it's a good idea to include these maybe in the front, or I don't know. If you put it in the front, I would put maybe a label on here that says this book belongs to, or something like that, this journal belongs to. And then you could also just put it in the back, on the back inside cover of a journal, kind of like a library book. Just depends on the look that you are going for, but I think those are pretty neat. Okay, then these are all the labels that I cut out. Then this is the CD envelope. I did not fill this circle yet. I just cut it out and left it as is. Again, I cut all this out by hand. You could use vellum, you could use packaging, plastic from packaging, you could use acetate, Duralar, whatever clear or see-through piece you want to use, you could use there. You could even use some tulle, something like that, or you could just leave it like it is. And this is what it looks like opened up. Let me take that out. Okay, so where's that page? So this is this page. Again, I just cut it out, folded it, and there we have it. Now on an actual CD envelope, I think these tabs are on the inside, on the outside, but you could choose to put them on the inside like that, like a regular envelope. It just depends on what you prefer. Then this is the insert piece that I mentioned that was a new piece. I did leave a tiny hair of a white line there in case you wanted to cut these in half so that you could see that these are 2 separate pieces, or you could leave them together as one piece. Since this is on the fold, it shouldn't show, but if it does show or you don't like that little white area, just hit it with a little bit of ink and that will cover that up. But I just wanted to make sure that you would be able to see, if you decided to cut these into 2 pieces, where you could cut. But it does fold like a booklet. You could add pages inside of here and have a little booklet in the CD pocket. Now I'm going to put the flaps back on the outside because it helps hold this piece in since I don't have anything glued. And so that slides right in there, and she peeks right through the window of the CD envelope like so. Then this is what it looks like on the back. Again, you could use labels on here. You could use a smaller label here. Here, you could do some kind of cluster design in the corner, whatever you choose. Just an example of what you can do. So those are the pieces, some of the deco pieces already cut out and ready to go. Let's put this back. I hope you go over and check out my shop. Check out the kit over there. It is available now. And again, it is available in 3 separate listings, depending on which pieces you want, or you can get all 3. All right, so that is it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.